Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aids. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to redeem gift cards on Nordstrom.com. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. Nordstrom is a shopping platform that you can use in order to buy shoes, jewelry, accessories, makeup, clothing, and many more. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser of your choice and in the search bar type down www.nordstrom.com and press the enter button. After that, you'll be redirected to your Nordstrom homepage and make sure you log into your Nordstrom account. In this page below the search bar, you can see a bar where you can see holiday gifts, sale, women, men, and many more. You can go ahead and tap on any of these. I'm tapping on women, and you can go ahead and tap on any of these options available on your screen. I'm going ahead and tapping on codes. After that, you'll be redirected to a page of your desired option. So I'm going ahead and tapping on a code I want to buy. After that, on the right side of this page, you can see a size option. Go ahead and select the size option, and below it is an add to bag option. Go ahead and tap on add to bag after selecting a size. Then a menu like this will pop up on your screen, which will have a checkout button. Go ahead and tap on checkout. After you tap on it, within a matter of seconds, you'll be redirected to your checkout page of Nordstrom. Now in this page on the right side, you can see order summary box. In this box, you can see a checkout option. Go ahead and tap on checkout button. Now in the checkout page, scroll down until you find payments. After you find payments, scroll down to the bottom of that option. In the bottom, you'll be able to see gift card or promo card. Go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, few boxes will appear like you can see on my screen. Go ahead and type down your card number, then type down your access number, then tap on apply. After you tap on it, you'll be able to apply your gift card or redeem your gift card on the purchase you're going to do on Nordstrom. So that's how you can redeem your gift card on Nordstrom. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.